Hello friends, I am Dr. Deepa Nair from DRS and Associates Hyderabad. Today I am going to discuss on something very interesting and may be useful for spouses who are in abusive relationships. Last week, two cases came to me. One was a newly married lady in her 20s seeking dissolution of marriage as she was facing a lot of physical harassment and abuse from her husband and his family. While narrating various incidents of harassment, what struck me was one incident where she said that once while sleeping, her husband had doused her with turmeric water all over her, and when she woke up, he was trying to convince her that she was possessed and asking her if she was able to see ghosts and spirits on the walls and in the room. He was playing with her sanity, convincing her to see things which was not true, so much so that she started thinking that something was wrong with her, and terrified, she left her matrimonial home to be with her parents. And within 3 months of marriage, she broke up with her husband. And in the other case, the woman who came to me was an emotional wreck and wanted to end her life as her husband was physically and emotionally abusing her last several years, and she was almost on the verge of a breakdown. Her husband has been emotionally controlling and manipulating her, criticizing and confusing her so much that she has started questioning herself, her own identity and judgment, her self-worth, and losing her sense of reality. She was frequently saying, maybe something is wrong with me, maybe I am bad, maybe it's my fault, maybe he's right in criticizing me, etc. She was feeling lonely and being isolated. Both these women are working and from well-to-do families. So after listening to these two cases, did it ring a bell? Yes, both are victims of psychological abuse called gaslighting. Gaslighting is the act of manipulating a person so that they start to question their own thoughts, their memories, and events that are occurring around them. A gaslighting victim can start to question their own sanity and find it difficult to continue their daily life without stress, worry, or panic. The term gaslighting was taken from the 1944 movie called Gaslight, wherein the husband tries to manipulate and control his wife to get hold of her inheritance. He adjusts the gaslights in their home so that they start flickering. When his wife mentions it to him, he tells her that she must be seeing things and tells her they are burning steadily. She begins to mistrust her own experiences, and after a while, she has no idea what to believe anymore. So friends, manipulating the environment is just one of the tactics used by the manipulators, and it can be extremely upsetting and damaging. A gaslighter personality is one who psychologically manipulates you with your thoughts and your emotions that eventually makes you doubt yourself. They would constantly remind you of how you make a big deal of things or how you are overreacting instead of validating your opinions and listening to them. You're always making a big deal out of things. You're a psycho, you're crazy, you're always imagining things, your problems are not real, stop being so dramatic, etc. These are some common statements of a gaslighter personality. They have a desperate need to dominate others. Everything should go according to them, and all hell would break loose if you try to question their intention. The one reason why people indulge in gaslighting is to be in power in a relationship. Sometimes the rising success of a partner, jealousy, and several such reasons can also lead to gaslighting behavior. Most often, a gaslighting personality may have traits such as they frequently lie to you and do not feel guilty about it. They cannot admit their mistakes. They get extremely furious if they are criticized. They are aggressive about everything that is said to them. They never validate your emotions and force you to think like them. Everything you say to them is a chance to lash out on you. and they manipulate you and try to control you in every manner possible. Sadly, many people go on for years before they understand what has been happening to them. No matter what the cause, gaslighting is inexcusable. Whether you are newly married and just finding out that your husband or wife is gaslighting you, or you have been married for years and you are only just realizing the truth, there is no possible reason why you should be treated this way. It can be very hurtful to realize that the one person you thought was the love of your life has been manipulating you on purpose for their own gain or pleasure. So, how do you deal with gaslighting? Arguing with the gaslighter is of no use. They will gaslight you at any given opportunity and will conveniently make it look like it is all your fault. But when confronted with anger, they will burst in defense and throw frustrating claims at you. It can be really difficult to maintain your cool when dealing with a gaslighter, but you need to try anyway. You need to patiently talk to them and tell that your experience of their claim or accuse is not the same as theirs. A gaslighter personality is defensive and angry, but being sensible through it all might have a calming effect on them. Dealing with a gaslighting spouse can be really overwhelming, but it is essential that you have confidence in yourself. Whenever a gaslighting spouse accuses you of something, pause and think if what they are accusing you of is true in reality. There is a huge difference between what you truly believe and what you are being pressured to believe or forced to believe. Understanding the difference is important in how to survive gaslighting. Do not doubt yourself. The more confident you are in your beliefs, the easier it will be to deal with the gaslighting spouse. You cannot survive gaslighting if you are not aware about your own identity. Most people gaslight to have the upper hand and control over the relationship. A gaslighting spouse will tear you down your sense of thought and foundation brick by brick so that you lose your idea of individuality and engage in their games of manipulation. So you need to keep yourself grounded. Do not let your spouse's hints, doubts and gossips shake your belief in yourself and everything around you. Gaslighting is a play of power, and you need to know better that a relationship is never about power. It is about love. Having control of your thoughts and emotions can help you deal with the gaslighting spouse in a better manner. A gaslighting spouse may most often blame it on you that you have been taking things wrongly and that all their accusations and other gaslighting personality behavior was simply out of concern and care for you. If your spouse is in complete denial of their behavior and is making no attempt to understand or change, then your marriage is really in trouble. You need to consult a professional immediately. A counselor or therapist will help you with your relationship in a better manner and even guide you with some strategies to deal with your gaslighting spouse. For some relationships, couples therapy can help to turn things around. However, couples therapy can only really work if your partner recognizes they have a problem and is willing to work on this for the sake of the relationship. If they don't agree, then the last resort to deal with the gaslighting spouse is to leave him or her. Quitting a marriage cannot be easy, but it is not easy to live with a person who never bothers to address your problems or their behavior. Gaslighting, if not kept in check, can be really dangerous, and in such a case, separation is the only solution. So friends, if you like this video, please do share your thoughts and press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.